Yep, yep. Kai, fish. Yep, yep. Oh, it came off. Yep, yep, yep. Kai. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna bring it over here to you. I'm gonna bring it over here. Just get right there, in the water. Get in the water.
Good listening, babe. Yep.
Ooh, it's a nice one.
Wait.
Okay, right there.
Just stay, babe.
Scoop it. Scoop it. Scoop it. Boom, good job, mama. Hey! Not out of the water. Keep him in the water. Good job, though. Here, hold on. Hold on. We got to keep him in the water for a second. We will. Hold on. Keep him in the water. Camera. Look at the camera. I won't. Bangarang, Kyrie and Dad out here with a nice Donner leg bow, baby. We on him with the fly rod, the dually. She gonna let it go. Okay, come on. Lean down. Yeah. Okay, right down here. Let it go all gentle. Bang, Kyrie, bangarang. Right here, Knuckles. Knuckles. Ah, good job, mama. I'm gonna try right now. Watch my rod, though. Oh, that's a better one. That's a better one.
You got it.
Get him, scoop him. Good job. Bangarang. Hold on. We got to pull the pokey out. Dada and Kyrie out here with number 2. Banging him. Beautiful little rainbow. All right, let's let him go. We caught him. Yeah. Get right down here. Let it go all gentle.